It's actually a $3,000 car.
Huh?
It's a $3,000 car.
Right, that's what I said. RC car?
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna stop here. Okay, ready?
You're stuck on can't wait.
Alright, 5 minute break.
What the?
He crossed the line.
On the sides.
All right, guys, motor toys out here. So that was a 5.7 at 91. I let off a little early, but
We done now?
yeah, apparently we've made a couple of people mad out here, right?
Just a few.
Jabril,
We caught dubs.
somebody's upset that I'm gonna post my toy car and do all this, bro. They need to bring faster shit, bro.
Man, at least the guy who ran this was happy about
The
it.
guy who ran, yeah, right.
And then right after you went around, it's like, wow, what the fuck, that RC car? I was like, oh, okay. But